branch. I'm here to tell about the subject physics. My topic is about submultiples of meter, kilogram and second. Submultiples of meter. Some pens are much smaller than meter. For example, the length of pencil is 0.15 meter. It is more convenient to say that it is 15 centimeters. Here, centi stands for 0.01 and represented with the letter C. 0.01 meter is equal to 1 by 100 meter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. Centi is used to replace 0.01 and is called prefix. 10 to the power of minus 2 is called submultiple. Submultiple factors. Decimeter. 1 decimeter is 1/10th part of a meter. 1 decimeter is equal to 1 by 10 meter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 1 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. Centimeter. 1 centimeter is 100th part of a meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. Millimeter. 1 millimeter is 1000th part of a meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 meter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Micrometer. Micrometer is denoted by mm. It is 1 millionth part of a meter. 1 micron is equal to 10 to the power of minus 6 meters is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeter. Fermi. Fermi is 10 to the power of minus 15th part of a meter. It is the smallest unit of distance. 1 Fermi is equal to 10 to the power of minus 15 meter. Armstrong. Armstrong is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Is equal to 10 to the power of minus 1 nanometer. 1 micron is equal to 1000 Armstrong and 1 micrometer is equal to 1000 Armstrong. Pictometer. Pictometer. 1 10 to the power of minus 12 meter and is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter. Nanometer. 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. It is 10 to the power of minus 9 the part of a meter. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 meter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeter. Submultiples of kilogram. For stating the mass of bodies less than the 1 kilogram, the another unit is used. It is called gram. In short form, it is written as G. The relationship between gram and kilogram is 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Hectometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 1 kg is equal to 100 grams. Decagram is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 kg is equal to 10 grams. Gram. 1 gram is 1000th part of a kilogram. 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Milligram. 10 to the power of minus 6 kg is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 gram. Microgram. 1 microgram is equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 kg is equal to 10 to the power of minus 6 grams. Atomic mass unit AMU. The smallest unit of mass is AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Size of atomic particles is measured in AMU. 1 pound is equal to 0.453. Submultiples of time. 1 shake is equal to 10 to the power of minus 8 seconds. Thank you.